Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about virtual methods in C#. As you can see, we have a simple class called animal, which contains a method called sayHi, which is going to print basic text. If I go to the class called bird, you can see that we're going to inherit animal class and we are going to override the implementation of sayHi. I forgot to mention that this method has virtual keyword, which means that we can specify the implementation of this method, but we're also able to override the implementation in classes which are going to inherit this class. So if I go back to the bird, you can see that we are actually overriding the implementation, and we are going to say singing whenever someone calls sayHi from the bird class. So if I go to the program and I create an object of the bird called bird, which is equal to new bird, and if I call the bird dot say hi, we are expecting to see singing, as you can see. So there is also one more class called dog, which is going to inherit animal class, but we are not going to override the implementation of the method from the parent class. So if I create an instance of the dog class called dog and call dog.sayHi, we're expecting to see the message from the parent class because we haven't overridden the implementation. So you can see that we got hi. Let's quickly uncomment this part of the code and run program again. So as you can see, we got singing and barking. So the main purpose of using the virtual keyword is that we can specify and add implementation inside the parent class, and later on we can override that implementation inside the child classes if needed. So I guess that would be all for this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed and see you in the next one.